Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the 100 chart. We are learning numbers from 1 to 100 over here. And we're going to see how the 100 chart came about. Okay, so this is the 100 chart that everybody has in the Pasik folder. It has 1 to 100. Let's take a look at how it's happened. Okay, so if you can see me, I'm walking down the line. I have a line here. You can call it the number line, starting from 1. I don't have 0. 0 is important too. I'm going to start with 1. 0 is nothing, so I've got 1 here. And I have put these strips, okay, of numbers from 1 all the way to 100 here. Okay, so it's a very long strip. If you see me zoom it up, it's a very long strip. Okay, so we are going to turn this into a 100 chart. Why is it called a chart? Because we can group them into tens. Okay, and that would really help. So I could, if you look here, this number chart, it starts from 1 at the bottom and goes up to 100. Okay, at the top. I shall start with 1 from the top, shall we? So 1 to 10, we'll move it to the top, followed by 11 to 20. I'm going to stack it right below 1 to 10. Okay. So you see 1 and 11, 2 and 12. So 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Okay. Again, stacking it. And then I have 31 to 40, 41 to 50. And then move the strips over. 51 to 60. 61 to 70. 71 to 80. And the last two strips here. So I'm stacking them up. Okay, so if you look here, almost done. This is how we can get to 100 chart. Okay, so in the next video, all right, in the next video, you hear me talking about how we can use this number chart and what are the activities we can do with regards to the number chart. Okay, so for this video, it's just from the number strips, number line from 1 to 100, and we transform it into a number chart. We can do it in this way, or we can do it from bottom up, from 1 to 100. Okay, so keep a lookout for the next video on how to use the number chart 1 to 100.